of Nigeria, and that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Republic of Nigeria. So help me God. Do solemnly swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that as member present and always in the presence of the sovereignty, integrity, society, well-being, and prosperity of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that I will strive to preserve the fundamental principles and directive principles against all my constitutional institutions, that I will, to the best of my ability, preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. I will do my best for all my people, according to law, without fear of evil, affection of all of you, that I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal not under my consideration, or shall become known to you as member necessary to the university, except as may be required for the due discharge of my duties as member necessary to the university. So help me God.
It is with a deep sense of responsibility and purpose that I welcome you all to this important occasion, the formal swearing in of the chairman, Dr. Michael Epali-Ode, and members of the Rivers State Independent Electoral Commission. Today's ceremony is a reaffirmation of our commitment to restoring democratic institutions and strengthening the foundations of good governance in Rivers State. Let me begin by congratulating the newly appointed leadership of RISEC on your well-deserved appointment. Your selection is the result of a thorough and rigorous process that considered your competence, integrity, and dedication to democratic ideals. You have been entrusted with a sacred duty to uphold the will of the people and to midwife and safeguard the democratic process in Rivers State. The task before you is clear but demanding. You have to conduct free, fair, credible, and transparent elections at the local government level. You have to ensure that the electoral process reflects the true will of the people, devoid of bias, favoritism, and external interference. You have to restore and sustain public confidence in the electoral system. Your role is critical to the sustenance of peace, stability, and grassroots governance in Rivers State. I therefore charge you to carry out your duties with independence of mind and action, never yielding to undue pressure, fairness and impartiality, treating all political actors with equal respect and accountability, and also to exhibit professionalism and courage, even in the face of difficult choices. The people of Rivers State are watching. They expect an electoral process that is transparent, inclusive, and peaceful. Your actions will shape not just local elections, but the democratic culture of our state. I want to show you that this administration remains committed to providing you with the necessary support and an enabling environment to carry out your constitutional mandate effectively. We will not interfere with your operations, but we will hold you accountable for upholding the highest standard of integrity and service. An important area I would like to emphasize on is the voter education. It is very important that the political parties and our people are very well informed about your activities and plans, as well as what is expected from them. No democratic process can be successful without the active participation of all stakeholders. We cannot fail to carry them all along. As you begin this critical assignment, remember that history will judge your actions. You must serve with honor, diligence, and unwavering commitment to the people of Rivers State. Congratulations once again, and may God guide you in this noble service. Thank you, and God bless Rivers State. God bless you.
I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal not under consideration or shall become known to me as member of the University, except as may be required for the duty achievement of my duties as member of the University. So help me God.
Take a handshake with this excellency. So face the camera, face the side. Thank you. Take the handshake. Face the camera. Face the camera. Thank you. Doctor. Professor